All right, guys, what's up? It's Carter here. I'm just going to jump into the market and give you a quick update of what I think went down over the last day. Of course, I could be wrong. You never know. And why I took a couple trades this morning. I only took a couple scalps so far. I've built up a small entry on a longer term short, but I will be willing to cut it if it breaks some certain key pivot areas here. All right, anyways, let's jump into this on the daily. All right, so this was a pretty good sell-off right here on the daily, right? Okay. When we tried to rebound back into that area, we got a huge pump. Look at that. It wicked to that last sell-off, okay? Just notice that for a minute. Anyways, here we go. The last huge sell-off on the daily. Right now, we've wicked it. We've wicked up there to the 2,500 area, but we have yet to close against it. And that's why I would cut my short entries if we did actually pivot above here and get above 43.8K. That's where I would, be very cautious on my longer term short entry I just got into. But yeah, as you can see, that's pretty relevant. Look at that, a nice U shape, stopping right off the last huge daily sell-off. Makes sense, right? All right, so let's get into the 15-minute chart. I'm going to show you why this thing looked a little toppy to me. Doesn't it speak for itself? Look how many times it's wicked into the area. We got a nice little curve. I guess this is more off just price action that would get you to think, oh, this looks toppy. I mean, that looks classical to a toppy. I mean, it's fucking ideal. Ideally, you want to, for this trend line to break, you want to, that's ideal. You want this trend line to break. But, I thought it started looking toppy around this area when we came back to test the actual resistance. You can also see it's like a rising wedge pattern. And it got a little too deep. I don't like them getting that deep. I'd like for it to break out like right there. Usually when they get too deep from, this 42.3K area, it just, they usually don't break up to the upside from, what I've gathered over the years. But yeah, that is basically what I've seen. I'm going to do a breakdown of these trades and send to the people in my mentorship. Obviously, I had one person drop out. So if anyone else is interested in joining that, and, I plan to make you a master of the very few indicators I use and the easy setups I genuinely take. I believe I can do that within 3 months, honestly. I'm going to put a lot of time into it. So, anyways, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm out.